Hey guys, my name's Rich Runnick. I'm with the Fahrenheit Group in Richmond, Virginia. We're in Scott's Addition, and I'm here to show you our space and what Livewire has done for us. One of our greatest challenges was working with our team, which mostly is remote, when they come to the office and work with their colleagues and clients, and accessing technology in any of our conference rooms was not knowing what input to use, for example, or not knowing how to access the technology. So we wanted to work with Livewire to implement a really simple solution that everybody could use, no matter how sophisticated of a user they were. So we're here in the cafe at the Fahrenheit Group, and this is one of the key things that we wanted to focus on in our implementation of AV needs. So we host a lot of social gatherings, we host our team for meetings, and it was important for us to get that right because we have offices outside of Virginia as well. Brad suggested that we use a microphone so that when we are talking and using our monitors to project presentations that they would be able to hear us well. We implemented a Mac Mini. So we have a keyboard that's wireless that we can access right here on the top of our cafe table to run the meetings. So it made it really easy for us to have a really successful meeting from our cafe. Yeah, and working with Brad and the Livewire team, we really understood some of the things that, as a user, you really don't think of often, which is wiring everything during construction so that it's easily desktop accessible. So when you come in to use the space, you plug right into the desktop and it projects all the way over there on the monitors. One of the other key features, because we do a lot of networking events, we host lots of things here. We wanted an entertaining space, and so we worked with Brad to implement a great speaker system throughout the entire space, but specifically here in the cafe. And then when we have social opportunities, we are able to bump the music up and make this a lively, entertaining space. When you walk into a consulting and advisory firm, you expect sort of a darker mahogany, stuffy feeling. Yet here we are in this sort of cool neighborhood in Scott's Addition, and you walk into our front door, you hear music playing, you get a totally different vibe. It's high energy, it's creative, it's innovative, and something a little bit unexpected of a consulting and advisory firm. We have several conference rooms throughout the office that they helped implement for us as well. And I'd say one of the key features that was really helpful is they simply named every one of the inputs. So when our outside team is coming into the office to use the space, they know what to plug in, where, and which input to use because it's labeled specifically for them. In each of the conference spaces, we wired an HDMI outlet so that you don't have wires running throughout the entire conference room, but they're easily plugged in either to the wall or, again, they're directly wired to the conference table for a nice, clean access point. In our main conference facility, we wanted a nicer conference room with great video capabilities, and Brad suggested a reasonable cost in a upgraded video conferencing capability for us, which has worked out really well for us as well. We enjoyed working with the sales team, and I think the implementation team, the team that came and actually installed all of this equipment, was timely, responsive, and extremely helpful while they were here. And even after we've implemented all of this, questions that we've had in how to use has always been answered quickly. So if you're looking for AV needs, I'd highly suggest you call Livewire.